In this episode, I am walking you through an exercise called the Four Adorations. This exercise is from Israel Regardie's book, The 1 Year Manual. He presents them as an ideal way to start practicing ritual mysticism. By performing these simple rituals at the designated times of the day, you affirm your connection to the sun's journey through the heavens. The solar logos is central to the golden dawn and corresponds to Tiphareth, the first sphere of consciousness epitomizing adeptship. The Four Adorations help you focus on this principle by recognizing the solar disk in its various aspects. Additionally, these exercises introduce you to the symbolism of ancient Egypt, where the sun was often the primary focus. To perform these adorations effectively, you must use the Neophyte signs, gestures taught in the Golden Dawn that embody the spirit of the grade. The Neophyte signs are the most important of all the grade signs in the outer order. There are two, the sign of the Emperor and the sign of silence, with the second completing the first. The sign of the Emperor, stand erect with your palms facing downward. Draw your hands up the sides of your body until they point, fingers forward at either side of your head. Step forward with your left foot and thrust your arms forward. This sign helps you direct your energy toward an object of adoration, establishing a connection that can remain open even after the sign is completed. The sign of silence. This sign withdraws the energy projected in the sign of the Emperor and ends your identification with the object of adoration. Standing upright, bring your left index finger to your lips as though telling someone to be quiet, and simultaneously stamp your left foot gently and firmly. The Four Adorations. Ra. At dawn or upon rising, face east. Give the sign of the Emperor and say, "Hail unto thee who art Ra in thy rising, even unto thee who art Ra in thy strength, who travellest over the heavens in thy bark at the uprising of the sun. Jehuti standeth in his splendor at the prow, and Rahur abideth at the helm. Hail unto thee from the abodes of night." Then give the sign of silence. Hathor. At noon, face south, give the sign of the Emperor, and say, "Hail unto thee who art Hathor in thy triumphing, even unto thee who art Hathor in thy beauty, who travellest over the heavens in thy bark at the mid-course of the sun. Jehuti standeth in his splendor at the prow, and Rahur abideth at the helm. Hail unto thee from the abodes of the morning." Then give the sign of silence. Tum. At sunset, face west, give the sign of the Emperor, and say, "Hail unto thee who art Tum in thy setting, even unto thee who art Tum in thy joy, who travellest over the heavens in thy bark at the down-going of the sun. Jehuti standeth in his splendor at the prow, and Rahur abideth at the helm. Hail unto thee from the abodes of the day." Then give the sign of silence. Kefra. At midnight or upon going to sleep, face north, give the sign of the Emperor, and say, "Hail unto thee who art Kefra in thy hiding, even unto thee who art Kefra in thy silence, who travellest over the heavens in thy bark at the midnight hour of the sun. Jehuti standeth in his splendor at the prow, and Rahur abideth at the helm. Hail unto thee from the abodes of the evening." Then give the sign of silence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe. Thank you for watching.